Good morning, my dear children. How are you? Hope you all are doing well. Did you learn last day's topic? Do you have any doubts? Okay, children, let's have a quick recall. Which are the non-standard units of length? Fingers, handspan, cubit, pace, and foot span. The standard unit of length is meter. We use a meter scale for measuring length. Meter is used to measure longer length and centimeter is used to measure shorter length. 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. How we convert meter into centimeter? To change meters to centimeters, we multiplied by 100. To change meters to centimeters, we multiplied by 100. Okay. All of you listen here. Today we are going to learn about measurement of weight. Today we are going to learn about measurement of weight. Children, today's topic is measurement of weight. We weigh things to see how heavy they are. We weigh things to see how heavy they are. A simple balance or weighing balance is used to weigh things. All of you look here, this is a picture of a balance. A simple balance or weighing balance is used to weigh things. We measure weight in kilograms and grams. We measure weight in kilograms and grams. Small weights are measured in grams. For example, a pack of toothpaste, a cake of soap are usually measured in grams. Larger weight are measured in kilograms. Like rice, wheat, potatoes and sugar are usually weighted in kilograms. We measure the weight of our body in kilograms. So, smaller weights are measured in grams and larger weights are measured in kilograms. kg means kilogram. Short form of kilogram, kg. Short form of gram, g. So, we weigh things to see how heavy they are. We use a balance to find out how heavy the thing is. Isn't it? So, kilo means 1000. So, a kilogram means 1000 gram. Kilogram means 1000 gram. So, 1 kilogram equal 1000 grams. 1 kg equal 1000 grams. Measurement of weight or mass. A simple balance or weighing balance is used to weigh things. We measure weight in kilograms and grams. So, standard unit of weight is kilogram. Standard unit of weight is kilogram. 1 kilogram equal 1000 grams. 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams. Look here. A simple balance or weighing balance is used to weigh things. We measure weight in kilograms and grams. 1 kilogram equal 1000 grams. Standard unit of weight is kilogram. Standard unit of weight is kilogram. Clear? Next one. Convert kilogram into gram. Convert kilogram into gram. To change kilogram into gram, we multiplied by 1000. To change kilogram into gram, we multiplied by 1000. In 1000, how many zeros? 3 zeros. So, 7 kg equal 7 into 1000, 7000 gram. 1 kg equal 1000 gram. So, 7 kg equal 7 into 1000, 7000 gram. 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. So, 7 kilogram, 7 kg equals 7 into 1000, 7000 gram. You write 7 and insert 1, 2, 3 zeros. That is 7,000 gram. Next one 14 kilogram. 14 into 1000. First write 14 and insert 3 zeros. That one is 14,000 gram. 14 into 1000. Write 14 and 1, 2, 3 zeros. So the number is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. That is 14,000 gram. So how we convert kilogram into gram? To change kilogram into gram, we multiply by 1000. To change kilogram into gram, we multiplied by 1000. 1 kilogram equal 1000 grams. So measurement of weight or mass. A simple balance or weighing balance is used to weigh things. We use a simple balance. We use a simple balance or weighing balance for what? For measuring weight. For measuring weight. Then 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. 1 kilogram equals 1000 gram. Clear? Children, all of you look here. Sometimes units may be expressed in grams and kilograms. To change kilogram and gram into grams, we multiply the kilogram by 1000 and then add the grams. ചില സമയത്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ കിലോഗ്രാമും ഗ്രാമും തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. എന്നിട്ട് അതിനെ ഗ്രാമിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പോൾ കിലോഗ്രാമിനെ ആദ്യം ഗ്രാമിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യണു. ഓൾറെഡി നമ്മുടെ കയ്യിൽ എത്ര ഗ്രാം ഉണ്ട് അത് അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം. So to change kilogram and gram into grams, we multiplied the kilogram by 1000 and then add the gram. For example, 7 kg 55 gram equal dash gram. So first convert 7 kg into gram. How we convert kilogram into gram? Into 1000. Into 1000. To change kilogram into gram, we multiply by 1000. So 7 into 1000, 7000 plus already we have 55 grams. So 7000 plus 55, 7055 gram. Clear? The next example is 9 kg 354 gram. First convert 9 kg into grams. So 9 kg equal 9 into 1000, 9000 gram plus 354 grams. So 9000 plus 354 equal 9354. Add 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 3, 3, bring down this 9. So convert 9 kg into grams. So 9 into 1000, 9000. Then add the grams. So 9000 plus 354 gram equal 9354 grams. Small weights are measured in grams. Then larger weights are measured in kilograms. Clear? We weigh things to see how heavy they are. Isn't it? A simple balance or weighing balance is used to weigh things. The standard unit of weight is kilogram. 1 kilogram equal 1000 grams. 1 kilogram equal 1000 grams. Then all of you take your maths textbook. Take page number 119. Practice time. Write the date. Then write 1 kg equal 1000 grams. Then convert this. 5 kg that is given. 5 into 1000 that is 5000 gram. 5 into 1000 5000 grams. Next one 9 kg. 9 into 1000 9000 grams. Kilo means 1000. So a kilogram means 8000 grams. So 4 kg equal 4 into 1000 4000 grams. How we convert kilogram into gram? We multiplied by 1000. Next one 3 kg 150 gram. So 3 into 1000 3000 plus 150 3150 grams. Next one 1 kg 275 gram. 1 kg equal 1000 grams plus 275 grams, that is 1275 grams. Last one 4 kg 354 grams. 4 into 1000, 4000 plus 354, 4354 grams. So how we convert kilogram into gram? We multiplied by 1000. To change kilogram and gram into grams, we multiplied the kilogram by 1000 and then add the grams. Clear? Complete the textbook exercise today itself. Children, I hope you all understood today's topic. Please complete the textbook exercise and don't forget to recite the multiplication tables. Okay children, thank you. Have a marvelous day.